Hey everybody! I know it's been a minute since I've done a pour or had a video. It's the longest I went without doing one. I'm sorry about that. Just a lot of stuff going on in my home life and everything. You know, with the holidays and all that jazz going on. Nice and busy. So today I'm going to do, as you can see, a pour. I'm using like a litter box as my station because I figure it's a lot cleaner than having to constantly throw away bags and everything like that, you know. And again, as you can see, I have a little mini canvas just because all I really have are teeny tiny ones or really, really big ones, and my really big ones are for my speed paintings. At least for now. We'll see. One of these days I might make a big pour if I ever feel confident enough in that. But I really need to go to the store and get some nice little medium canvases. But this is going to have to work for now. I'm going to be doing two different things today. I'm going to do a puddle pour because I haven't done that one yet. And I'm going to try to create a flower. If you can see this right here, they're really pretty. What are they? It doesn't say. It just says the world's most popular flower. So I'm going to be trying to create that using the puddle method. And I'm going to be using like a light pink background. I already have my colors pre-mixed as usual, using Floetrol. And I have those three colors, the white, the orange, and the fuchsia color. And I just figured since I have white, it'd probably be best not to use a white background, since I'm trying to actually create something in this one anyways. Yeah, we'll just see how that goes. No idea if I'm actually going to succeed or not, but we'll see. If you saw my last video, it was a challenge accepted video, which I'd like to make into a series if I can get enough people to challenge me to do some things. That one may have not been my best ever, but it was a nice start for the challenge. It was a nice, easy task. And I know Josh, who challenged me to it, was actually fairly happy with the results. And as well, if you like it up, I'm also planning on turning it into a speed painting if it gets enough likes, with a couple changes by him that he left down in the comments for me that he'd like as a change. So go like that video up if you'd like to see that. Alright. I already just like that as a whole, since I didn't mix the white and the red as well as it could have been. It has a nice marbling effect, which is just a nice background in general, I think. So just going around smoothing the edges. I know I'm gonna have to do that at the end. I don't know why I'm bothering doing it now. But there is our nice light pink marbled type background. Now, no idea how to do this. I'm just try. So, it is a 5-petaled flower. I'm gonna do this. Woo, that's a bit much. Maybe I'll just do a zoomed in. Okay, there's that. The middle, which is white, it comes here. Ooh. Precision is not that great, but I mean, I guess it's not supposed to be precise. There. And lastly, the very nice fuchsia pink at the ends. Here. Here. There we are. Alright, so far, that's what we got. A whole lot of blobs. Alright, so I'm gonna take one of my mixing sticks, wherever I sat those down. Alright, I'll just white. One, two. Kind of try to create the petals. Let's try it this way. And okay. Well, I don't know how that went, but that's what we got. So, I kind of feel like it needs something like black in the center or something to kind of define it. So I think I'm gonna do that. I get the black. Should I use gray? Should I use brown? A dark brown? That might be best. Alright, we'll use a dark brown. So far, I mean, that's definitely a miss. But you gotta have failures to learn, so if this ends up being one of those failures, I guess this will be a video of what not to do if you want to create a flower using this method. If you personally don't think of it as a failure, then by all means recreate it. I've never done this before, as I've said, and I'm sure it's obvious, but I'll learn I really do like the pictures. The main thing that I like about this method of or style of painting is the finished look. I love how smooth everything is. And if I can create like actual things with it, I'd like to add them, even if it's like background things, into my paintings. Because as an artist, I do like the realistic look, typically more, but I do find the nice smooth texture that you're left with after a pour very satisfying. Okay, we're just gonna do a dollop. And this, who knows? It may screw it up even more, but we're gonna try anyways, because this is an experiment. I do need to work on a speed painting here I do hope to be working on a speed painting here in the next couple of days. So if you are one of those who enjoys my speed paintings, hopefully there'll be some coming here back to the channel pretty soon. And I apologize it's taken so long. Just, even though it may be speedy after all the editing, it takes quite a while to create as well. And I've been trying to do so many other things that it's become difficult to do it all. Alright, I kind of feel like I want some more white here. And here, running out. And that's what we get. Now, just because I'm going to say that this isn't quite right, I'm going to move it around and play with it for a bit. And if it's like one of my other ones, I may end up just messing it up more. There was a certain video that I actually liked the image I had going before I did this. I don't know. I know I didn't do this before. I wasn't sure if this method would even create cells. So I know the dirty pour is the main method that you create cells with. Ah, look. Popping all those bubbles. Okay. Do I like how it looks? Not necessarily. I don't know if I want to keep all that orange. It almost looks like a picture of a top of a pumpkin. It's gonna melt it away. All right. I think I just want to play around with it for a bit. I don't know if I'm making it any better or not, but I feel like it needs to be more interesting. Is that more interesting? I don't know. It's different. Move it around a bit and stretch it out and see if I get anything interesting in there. I'm going to continue moving it towards this corner. The orange is kind of taken over this whole painting. It's a lot of orange. Alright. Now, that's what we got. It's different. And I think that's all I can really say on that. It's different. Good different? I don't know. You tell me down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, and have any suggestions whatsoever, please leave me down in the comments below. Like this up, share it with your friends, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video, I hope. Thanks everyone. Alright guys, so here it is, my already failed attempt at making a flower with the drip method and or puddle method or whatever, and then, you know, it just kind of turned into a smear, a big orange smear. I haven't coated it with anything because I'm trying to decide if I'm going to bother. I know I shouldn't. I should just probably keep this canvas for, you know, a reminder of my failure, but hey, I'll have this video, right? I might reuse this canvas for something else. I haven't decided yet. Anyway, guys, I really appreciate you guys for watching this, if you watched it all the way to the end. Special thanks to you guys, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. If you enjoyed seeing me fail, I guarantee this is not going to be the last video of that. Anyways, I really would appreciate you guys if you could leave me some comments down below of what you like to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!